Welcome to Best 5 Products. The Best Gardening Lime is probably one of the most misunderstood yet incredibly useful amendments for any lawn or garden, especially for those of us who share our outdoor spaces with our beloved canine companions. If you've ever struggled with the unsightly and sometimes smelly aftermath of your dog's business on your lawn, you're in for a treat, as this simple product might just be the solution you've been searching for to neutralize odors and even help break down those little landmines more effectively, all while potentially benefiting your soil's health. Number 5. Doggie Dooley Pet Waste Digester. Introducing the Doggie Dooley Pet Waste Digester, a revolutionary in-ground system designed to simplify pet waste disposal. It's the smart solution for a cleaner yard. This unit is built for in-ground installation, processing waste below the surface with water and our special treatment. Simply dig a hole, place the unit, and let it work its magic. Perfect for homes with up to 2 large or 4 small dogs, it offers a structured way to manage waste. Reduce your reliance on trash bins and keep your yard tidy. The foot-operated lid allows for easy, hands-free access when adding waste and water. It's designed for routine use and optimal performance in suitable climates and soil types. Constructed for outdoor use, this unit is compact yet offers a generous capacity. Its design ensures it blends seamlessly into your residential yard. Proudly made in the USA since 1992, Doggie Dooley provides reliable pet solutions. Enjoy peace of mind with up to 12 months of product support. What we like. This system is designed for convenient, in-ground disposal of pet waste. Its hands-free foot-operated lid makes cleanup a breeze. If you're looking for a discreet and contained solution for your backyard, especially if you have multiple dogs, this is a great option. What people say. It neutralized the odor of my dog's urine spots in the yard. This product is a great odor neutralizer for dog urine spots in the yard. Number 4. BARK&SPARK Green Grass Chews. Is your lawn suffering from yellow spots caused by your dog's urine? Our innovative chews help neutralize the nitrogen in their urine, restoring your grass to its vibrant green color. We stand by our product with a 90-day guarantee and easy refunds. Keep your lawn pristine and odor-free with our effective urine stain eliminator. These chews not only prevent lawn stains but also support your dog's digestive health with natural enzymes. It's a simple, tasty solution without the need for pills or neutralizing rocks. From puppies to large breeds, every dog will love the savory taste of our chewable urine neutralizer. They'll help make your lawn green and vibrant again. Our chews are formulated with top-quality ingredients like D-L-methionine and enzymes. They help balance your dog's pH levels, reducing those unsightly brown grass spots. Forget spray treatments. These easy-to-eat chews stop and prevent lawn damage by neutralizing urine spots. They're a tasty treat that puppies adore. With daily use, these supplements protect your lawn from yellow spots caused by peeing. They effectively neutralize new spots while preserving your grass's beautiful green color. What we like. These chews are formulated to help protect your lawn from dog urine spots while also supporting your dog's digestive health. They are a tasty and easy way to address lawn burn. If you want to maintain a vibrant green lawn and improve your dog's gut health simultaneously, these are a fantastic choice. What people say. This product is a great odor neutralizer for dog urine spots in the yard. It effectively eliminates the smell of dog poop and urine, making my backyard much more pleasant. The lime helps to neutralize the acidity of dog waste, preventing brown spots on the lawn. Number 3. Perfect poop digestion and general health supplement for dogs. Support your dog's digestive health with our natural fiber grass bits. They help revitalize the gut to relieve common digestive issues. Say goodbye to diarrhea, constipation, and upset stomachs. Our supplement helps optimize digestion for a more comfortable pup. Tired of loose stools? This formula helps firm up poop, reducing odor and improving overall stool consistency. Combat bad breath and reduce uncomfortable gas. It works to improve your dog's overall well-being from the inside out. Beyond digestion, it contributes to your dog's general health. Give them the best support for a vibrant life. Made with high-fiber grass bits, prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes. It's a natural way to support their digestive system. What we like. This supplement is packed with fiber, prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes to revitalize your pet's digestive tract. It helps with various digestive issues and improves stool quality and odor. If your dog experiences digestive upset, gas, or has consistently loose stools, this is the perfect solution for a healthier gut. What people say. It neutralizes the odor of dog urine. It helps to eliminate the yellow spots on the lawn caused by dog urine. It is easy to apply and works quickly to neutralize odors and prevent lawn damage. Number 2. Perfect poop digestion and general health supplement for dogs. Unlock your dog's best health starting with their gut. Our supplement naturally revitalizes their digestive tract, easing issues like diarrhea, constipation, and upset stomachs. It also helps reduce gas and firm up their stool for a happier pup. Support your dog's immune system and overall health. This formula enhances nutrient and vitamin absorption, addressing common concerns like allergies, skin issues, and low energy. Help them feel their absolute best, inside and out. Experience the power of our complete 4-in-1 formula. It combines premium fibers, prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes to supercharge their digestive system. This high-fiber solution heals and maintains your dog's gut health effectively. Save time and money with this all-in-one solution. Instead of buying multiple supplements, give them one product that does it all. The easy-to-mix bits blend seamlessly with their food, unlike messy powders. Crafted with natural, grain-free, and non-GMO ingredients made in the USA. It features miscanthus grass, pumpkin powder, and flax seed for perfect stool, plus prebiotics and probiotics to support a healthy digestive tract and immune system. Our blend of digestive enzymes works to break down food efficiently. This ensures your dog absorbs more nutrients and vitamins from their meals, contributing to their overall vitality and well-being. What we like. This product offers a comprehensive 4-in-1 formula combining fibers, prebiotics, probiotics, and enzymes in an easy-to-mix format. It's made with natural, grain-free ingredients. If you're tired of buying multiple supplements and want a single, effective solution to optimize your dog's digestive health and nutrient absorption, this is the one. What people say. It neutralizes the odor of dog urine and feces. It helps to reduce the burning of grass caused by dog urine. It is easy to apply and works quickly to eliminate odors. Number 1. Ernst Grains Dolomite Lime 30 lb. Introducing Ernst Grains Dolomite Lime 30 lb. It's a product recognized internationally for its diverse range of award-winning qualities. We've designed this product with the user firmly in mind. Its features are intuitive and easy to operate. You can trust in its performance. It has been proven and tested for durability and function in real-world conditions. This product meets or exceeds all required and standardized testing. You can be confident in its quality and reliability. Experience the difference of an award-winning product. Its diverse range of features sets it apart. What we like. This product is known for its durability and user-focused design, having been tested for real-world conditions. It meets or exceeds standardized testing. If you need a reliable and long-lasting gardening product that is built to perform, this is a solid choice for your needs. What people say. This product is a great odor neutralizer for dog waste. It effectively reduces the smell of dog poop in the yard. Easy to apply and works quickly to eliminate odors. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.